Good morning, girls. Today I am going to explain the degrees of comparison. As we all know, and as you all also know, that there are three degrees of comparison in our English language. They are the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. And as we have learned the language, we feel crazy to use the language in different formations because we love the uh, joy in using the language. So we have three forms of degrees of comparison. Comparison itself tells us that we are making a comparison with some other items, either things or places or persons, right? So the positive degree is the best form of that. Here the adjective plays a major role in the degrees of comparison. Now the adjective is the soul of the sentence which conveys the meaning to the sentence, right? You all agree? Subject, object and verb formation makes a sentence. In that these adjectives describes something about the subject. Now the adjectives plays a major role in these degrees of comparison. What is the positive degree? The adjectives which denote a certain degree of quality and without any comparison is called the positive degree. In this positive degree, the adjective shows the degree of quality. Just they tell the degree of quality in the sentence. Now the base form of the adjective is used in these sentences. We have three forms of the adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. So this is the base form. The positive form is the base form of the adjective which is used in positive degree. Now see the example. The painting is wonderful. What is the objective? Adjective here, wonderful. Now the adjective always describes the subject, right? The painting, what is wonderful? The painting. So the base form of adjective is used here and that painting is wonderful. Akhil is an intelligent boy. Akhil is the noun or the subject in the sentence and the adjective intelligent describes about the noun or the subject here. So intelligent is the adjective, the base form is used here. Now you may get a doubt how to write a sentence into positive degree. Suppose the sentence is given in superlative degree, asked you to write a positive degree. First what you have to do is begin the sentence with no other. So whatever the sentence may be in a positive degree, we have to start the sentence with no other. Next, place the phrase after superlative adjective after no other. So the adjective in superlative degree must be placed after no other. Use so plus adjective. Next step is you have to use so plus adjective in the superlative degree plus as after the verb. So first you have to start with no other. Later the adjective in superlative degree should be placed after no other, and after that so plus adjective is in the superlative degree will be coming, and later plus as. Now see, Akhil is an intelligent boy. Now we have to convert the sentence into positive degree. First we have to start with no other. No other. What is the subject here? Akhil. So what we have to, it represents the gender male. No other boys are as intelligent as Akhil. Right? Next comes the fourth clue. Phrase the subject in the superlative degree after as in positive degree. See, the subject should be come after the superlative the subject in the superlative degree should come after as in positive degree. Now see the example, he is the tallest boy in our class. This sentence is given in superlative sentence degree. Now we have to change it into positive degree. No other, we have to start with no other boy in our class. Now the object is here, no other boy in our class is so tall as he. This is the positive degree of the sentence. So understand students, first we start with no other. Next comes the adjective in superlative degree. Before adjective we have to use so, and adjective comes. Later the subject in the superlative degree will be coming after as in positive degree. So this is how you have to convert the sentences into positive degree. Next comes the comparative degree. It is used to compare the persons, places or things. Now comparative degree is always used to compare between two persons or two places or two things. Now when we want to change the sentence into comparative degree, first what you have to do is, if the sentence given is in superlative, we have to remove the in the superlative degree. Write the comparative form of the adjective. Next what you have to do? Write the comparative form. Then add than any other after the adjective. First rule is to remove the. Next write the comparative form of the adjective. After that write than any other. So we are comparing by using than any other. See, he is the tallest boy in our class. It is the superlative degree form of sentence. Now when we want to change it into comparative, what I said, we have to remove the in superlative. We should remove. He is taller. Tallest becomes comparative degree taller. And we have to use than any other. We are comparing than any other with whom the comparative is boys. That particular pronoun is he, and he is compared to the other boys in the class. So we have to write he is taller than any other boys in our